Okay guys, so today let me show you a few ingenious ways to make money using AI, and more specifically ChatGPT, which is a free artificial intelligence chat box that you can use to generate all sorts of content, answer questions, translate text, write code, and many more. So let's cover some of the ways that you can use ChatGPT to generate money literally effortlessly without having to hire anyone or work long hours yourself. Okay, so the first idea is by writing content. So any type of content, basically. It could be an article, it could be a review, it could be anything you can think of. So let's say you have a blog, you run a blog at the moment and you're reviewing, let's say, tech products. So let's say, for instance, you have the Xiaomi Redmi, which is maybe a trending phone, something you'd like to review. You can see in your Google keywords that this is coming up very often. It is trending, and you'd like to write an article about this and link this back maybe to an affiliate commission marketing scheme or something like this. Okay, so let's say you wanted to write something like this. So what you can do here basically is to ask the AI something like this: write a 1500 word article about this product. And the product is Xiaomi Redmi smartphone, and then include this keyword several times. So Android smartphone, cheap mobile phones, and mobile for gaming. So this is what you want to attract people for, those specific keywords. And all you have to do basically after this is click this button here. And there you go. It's going to start writing the article for us. So a 1500 word article for us effortlessly without us putting any effort into it. So as you can see, it's starting up already. So there you go. Xiaomi Redmi is an Android smartphone that has gained popularity in the recent years due to its affordable price and impressive features, and so on and so on. So I'm going to fast forward this a little bit now. So there you go, guys. You can see now it's been completed. We have a 1500 word article written for us effortlessly and at no cost, basically. You know, this is absolutely free, and this is actually readable for humans. It's not just AI, you know. Look at this one here. For instance, if I read this section here. So one of the key reasons the Redmi has gained popularity is its price. It is one of the cheapest mobile phones in the market that offers a range of high-end features. So you can see it's actually thinking of the user itself. It's highlighting all the benefits and all of that. Despite its low price, the Redmi is a well-built and reliable smartphone that provides good value for money. So this is definitely something you can use on your blog to promote this type of phones, and then you can link this back maybe to an affiliate marketing platform, maybe using Amazon and so on. So this is one of the options that you can use, for instance, by writing articles for your blog post. Now obviously, as you can see, we've created that for ourselves if we were the owner of a blog, if you had a blog for yourself, obviously, but you can create that for other people as a freelancer. You could go on platforms like Fiverr and write articles here, for instance, run a search, and that's basically it. As you can see, you have gigs here that offer, I will write travel blog posts and articles, I will write an SEO travel blog or article, and so on and so on. So you could actually register on Fiverr, maybe Upwork or Freelancers, any of those platforms basically, and offer your services as well and get the AI to do all the work for you, which is even better. Now, in line with this, you can offer a different type of service on Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer as well. You could translate actually the content. So if someone sends you a document and you want to translate it, all you have to do is basically copy and paste it. And then you can type here, translate this into, and then put the language. So let's say perhaps maybe French, okay? And then copy the paste underneath, and there you go. And now let the AI translate this into French. And there you go, guys. As you can see, it took only a few seconds. This is translated from English to French in perfect written, readable language. I can confirm that because I speak both languages. It's absolutely perfect. So there you go. This is a second way that you can actually make money using ChatGPT. Okay, so another way that you can monetize ChatGPT is by proofreading documents. So make sure there's no spelling mistakes or things like this. So what you can do basically here is just ask, spell check this document. So let's use this again. So Control C, I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to make a few typos. You know, I'm going to misspell smartphone, features with 2 E's, and classified 1 S and 2 F's. Okay, and let's go ahead. So let's spell check this. Very good. As you can see, all done. So here is a spell checked version of this document, and as you can see, smartphone is correct, feature is correct, and classified has been corrected as well. Now, if you use a website for dropshipping or you have an e-commerce website, you're selling products and all that, maybe you source them from AliExpress or any of those type of websites. As you can see, you have nice products, well priced and all that, and you want to add your markup, maybe 50% or 80% on top. But as you can see, there isn't much description. All we have is basically the specs, and that's all. So that's not going to help you sell the product, obviously. So let's say if you wanted to sell this on your website, you would like to have a full product review that will help the visitor make the right choice, basically. So what we can do is just copy this, Control-C, and then we go back here and ask them to write a full product review. So write a product review of 1,000 words about, and then put the product's name and then enter. So there you go, that's done for us. And the nice thing here, it's not too compelling, not in a salesy way. It highlights basically all the main benefits for us in a practical way. As you can see here, the Mate 50 Pro smartphone is a high-end device that boasts a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Here it says the standard features of the Mate 50 Pro is its stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display. So the Mate 50 Pro is also equipped with a large 4500 mAh battery, which should provide plenty of power for a full day of use. So these are all the features that people would be interested in before buying. So again, you can use this to generate sales and increase conversion rate. So nowadays, a lot of companies get paid for ideas, like when you create a logo, a tagline, or something like this. You might come up with great ideas using ChatGPT and get paid for it. For instance, you can ask questions like, find brand names for a used truck company. So you have a new website you're going to create, you want brand names idea, you can rehearse this with this and find something for you, and you can get paid for this again, you know. So let's have a quick look now. Which brand names is the AI going to come up with? So there you go, here are a few ideas: Trucks for You, Used Truck HQ, Truck Mania, and so on and so on. It's even giving you a tip here. Remember to choose a brand name that is memorable, easy to spell, and reflects the focus and values of your business. So it's fantastic, isn't it? Now you can use this as well to create taglines, maybe, or things like this. So let's try this now. So let's ask our question. So find a tagline for a company named Truckmania that sells secondhand trucks. Okay, so let's ask this question here. So there you go, we got 10 different ideas here. Drive away with the best deals on used trucks. Find your dream truck at Truckmania, and so on and so on. And again, you can provide this directly to your client, get paid for it, and that's basically it. Another idea is to create PDF files that you can sell on Amazon, for instance, and all of this using ChatGPT. So let's say a lot of people struggle with procrastination. So you would like to write an ebook about procrastination. So you can break this down in different chapters first and then create all the chapters separately. So write an article about 10 ways to avoid procrastination. So this would be step number 1. So there you go, guys. This is basically the main highlight of our book. So we have our 10 different chapters here, and now we can break this down and write a full article, maybe 3-4 pages about each section. And now quickly another few ideas for you, okay? You can write poems automatically, like for instance, write a poem about Angie, my wife, whom I'm married to since the 6th of September 2009. There it is. Angie, my wife, my partner, my friend, married since September, our love never ends. You are the light of my life, the beat of my heart. Together we faced every challenge and never been apart. You see, that's written down very graciously for us, and all of that again effortlessly. So next, for instance, you could ask to write a recipe using ham, bacon and eggs, and there you go. And again, you could create a blog, a recipe blog, and upload them basically to your blog and get paid for this, you know. Another one here I created was this one. Oh, you write an interview, for instance, between a host and its guest, who's known for his knowledge of web design technology. And as you can see, you have the host and the guest, the host and the guest. So that's a 2-part script here, scenario, that's written down for us, again, effortlessly. So another one here, for instance, come up with 10 slogans for YouTube channel named Mr. Web, and that specialize in web design and WordPress. So look at this. These are nice, actually. Designing the web 1 pixel at a time. I think I might use this one. Elevating your online presence. Transform your website, transform your business. This is good, actually. You know, it would be hard to come up with this even ourselves. And if you run out of ideas, you can always ask ChatGPT to give you ideas how to make money using ChatGPT. Simply ask it the question, how can I make money with ChatGPT? So there you go, guys. These are a few examples that you can use to actually monetize ChatGPT. Now, if you're interested in another application of AI, you can have a look at this video here.